My name is Aubra Franklin. I am a photographer from the United States. My background is an architect, but I do photography as a very serious hobby. I did photography a lot in college as an architect, but I really picked up the landscape photography about 11, 12 years ago. Photography these days tends to look for opportunities to create more minimalistic photos. Even though we're here in the forests of the Netherlands, there's still an opportunity to really create a more minimalistic approach with a more complex scene. I found out about a photographer that I like very much. One of my favorite photographers, Lars Goor, was doing a workshop here in the Netherlands. And when I found out about the workshop, I found out that Better Moments was running this workshop. So I signed up for the workshop and immediately was introduced to Christian, the founder of this company. And I knew immediately that this was going to be a great workshop just by talking to him and seeing how incredibly well organized and precise everything was planned out. And I can tell you from start until one day until this workshop is over tomorrow, it has been perfectly planned. The hotels were first class, the food was phenomenal, which is important, and more importantly, each day was very well planned out, and it's been a really great experience.